Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to code guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on and use guys touch sound on oppo phone. Friends, you want to on guys your oppo phone guys phone touch sound setting. So guys, how to on and use touch sound on oppo phone. Today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your oppo phone device. Friends, how to use touch sound. Friends, go to your sound and vibration setting. As you can see, vibrate on, vibrate on, silent mode setting. So friends, we will click on guys more sound and haptic setting. More sound and haptic setting. Then we will click here. First dial pad. As you can see, lock screen sound, screenshot sound, delete sound, and touch sound. So guys, we will on get touch sound. After on touch sound, guys, how to use. So guys, now when you will click your phone button and any phone icon setting, so you can use touch sound. As you can see this sound, so we call it touch sound, and friends you can use your touch sound and you can use. So when you will click any phone setting and icon, so we can use the touch sound setting. So we call it touch sound, and friends after we can use touch sound. And friends you don't want to use your touch sound, so how to turn off. Open your phone setting and we will off from the search option. Direct friends we can off search your touch and sound. Touch sound, click here direct friends you can off the touch sound. So friends tap here. Friends, now you can see when I will click my phone button, friends you cannot use this touch sound on your oppo phone device. So a touch sound will not work. So like the we can on and use touch sound on oppo phone. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.